Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Who's that girl? I'm that girl. I'm excited today because I'm gonna do an unboxing. I got this lovely package and it's from Depop. Let me tell you the seller's name. They were very nice to me and they shipped the item out super quickly, which I liked. And ignore my face, I feel like this is lighter than my forehead because I tried out new makeup that I got, but I didn't put it on my forehead, so now nothing matches, so I kind of look two-toned, but that's okay. We're gonna ignore that. So I got it from, the seller is Emily's Jeans. I'm gonna also put the name here so you can see it. Also Emily's Jeans, so go check her out. She was super nice to me and shipped the item out really quickly. So I'm not gonna even tell you what I got. I'm just gonna unbox it so you can see. It is vintage, yes, and I got a great deal on it. Actually, the funny thing is that I was looking on Depop, and I've actually had this item before, but it was it came smelling like cigarettes and it was in bad condition, and I was able to return it, so the person let me return it. But anyway, I saw this one and I was like, oh my god, I love it. The color is it's a better color because the one I had before was black and purple. This one's red and black. And they have a few different people that are selling it on Instagram. Not Instagram, on Depop. But it's not expensive, but it's expensive, you know? I mean, like, it's a vintage item, so obviously it's gonna be more expensive because they're not making it anymore. But Emily was selling it at a quite fabulously reasonable price. I was like, I'm getting that. I believe I got it for $80 when originally they're like 100, 150, and 200. Okay, so this is how it looks in the box. Okay, wait, I'm gonna smell it. Okay, it smells good. Does not smell like cigarettes, you know. I was traumatized last time. Look how nice it looks, and look at the inside. The inside though. Oh my god. And there's the beautiful Tripp Nyc logo. So this is a vintage Tripp jacket, and I love it so much. Ever since, I don't even remember who I saw had it, but I saw them and I was like, oh my god, I need to have. Been keep trying to find it. Like, it's expensive, and then Emily had it for like super cheap basically, and I had to have it. This is so cute, and it's funny because now it's getting hot in New York, so I'm like, wow, I bought the jacket and now it's hot, but it's fine. I was telling my cousin, like, I don't care, it's gonna be 50 degrees. Okay, 50 degrees in New York is really hot, so when it's 50 degrees over here, we out in shorts, we not wearing scarves, people shave their legs, like, it's summertime basically. So I'm like, I'm gonna be out in New York, it's gonna be 50 degrees, I'm gonna wear like a little skirt and a crop top, but I'm gonna be in this jacket because this jacket is so cute, and now I need everyone to see it. Do you see? This is the inside. Ugh, I love how it looks, and they have different versions of this jacket. Some of them have like stuff in the back, I think, like a design, but this one is plain, so I really like that it's plain. It's so cute. Here you go. It buttons in the front, and it has this hardware here. Love it. If I'm not like really hyper, it's because my mom is here and I'm a little shy, so I don't want to act too crazy, but I love my jacket. Thank you so much, Emily. Go check out her Depop. This is super cute. Expect all the looks on my Instagram to be in this. Follow my Instagram. It's the same as my YouTube. Who's that girl? Okay, I'm gonna go now because the heat came on and it's hot.